Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing data and permissions, backup files, and export mail so nothing is lost. Once done, verify you have admin rights and any required approvals. Make sure the removal is documented for audits. Now open the admin console and go straight to users. Locate the target account using email or user ID. Do not proceed until you confirm it's the correct account. This avoids accidental deletions and speeds the next steps. You should first disable sign-in and terminate any active sessions to prevent continued access. Then transfer ownership of drives, calendars, and shared documents to a manager or archive account so workflows stay intact. Next, remove the user from groups and distribution lists. Revoke app tokens, API keys, and OAuth grants to cut off third-party access. Make sure to check delegated mailbox access and scheduled jobs, because unnoticed delegations can keep systems running under the deleted identity. You can now delete the account, choose permanent deletion or a staged deactivate period depending on policy. After deletion, verify removal in audit logs and confirm licenses and devices were freed. Clean up aliases, service accounts, mailbox stubs, and any scheduled tasks referencing the user. If something goes wrong, check replication delays across systems and restore from the exported backup if necessary. Finally, make sure notifications are sent to affected teams so nothing breaks after the account is gone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.